Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize setup in Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a powerful tool that helps businesses manage leads, contacts, deals, and customer interactions. Every business has a unique process to set. The default CRM setup may not fit perfectly, so customizing Zoho CRM lets you adapt the platform to your workflow, capture the right data, automate repetitive tasks, and give you the team exactly what they need to work efficiently. So first open to your Google web browser, and once you get into this interface of your Google web browser, at the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. Over here, under this interface of your Zoho, on the right hand side, we can find this featured app. Go to the CRM, and over here, scroll a bit down and go to this Access Zoho CRM. And once you get into this interface of your Zoho CRM, what you can do is in the top right corner, we can find the setting icon, select there. And under the setting icon, we can find this customize setup. Over here, select this customize setup, and you can here customize the modules and fields. What you can do is you can simply select on the plus menu over here, and you can add your setup as well. Type down your name, submenu, source, action, and the permission, and after you're done, you can select this done. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to customize setup in Zoho CRM. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.